What up, my brother? What's up, man?
Ticket in his ear.
Where they at?
And I'm like,
Hi friends, it's Drayton, Drays World. Riding my friend's longboard around Treasure Island Boardwalk today. It's a pretty fun adventure. If you live in the area of Treasure Island Beach here in Florida and you're interested in longboarding, this is probably the best place in the whole area. So learn how to do it and get comfortable on a longboard.
But you right up, she bottoms, you go like a rocket. Jump in the line, everybody in time. Okay, I believe you. Somebody help me. Okay, I believe you. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake your body in the line. Shake, 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 Sonora, shake it on.
Friends, welcome to Treasure Island Beach, part of beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. Wanted to bring you out here today to explain some of the new features of your Drays World viewing experience here on YouTube. By new features, I mean some old throwback videos, things that I recorded in a small hiatus, if you will, from YouTube just a few months back. Today is Saturday, September 8th, 2018. This is a very current video. I just wanted to let you guys know that I have a lot of video stocked up from the earlier part of this year. Wow, loud bird. Visited Asheville, North Carolina with, wow. There's a lot of video I have stocked up from the earlier part of this year. I did some traveling to Asheville, North Carolina. I went to the Rose Bowl as a VIP in Pasadena, California. Some very cool adventures there. I've been to some other places in the United States, the Everglades with my friend Susan. We've got some cool adventures coming up here on Drays World. They're just throwbacks, so don't be confused. I'm taking a little time off here in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida to edit and show you these videos as soon as they're ready. My gimbal is acting a little strange. I'll see you in the next video.
Rock it all the time.